I'm in this little mountain range doing some just wandering. And I came across this. I believe this was a line house. And there are some mines, but they're like about 15 miles that way. There was a prospect up there, but I think that was more of them trying to improve a well. The reason why I'm thinking it's a line house, I had to cross a fence line to get down here, and did see a bunch of beautiful cows. Yeah. I think that's exactly what this was just a line house. I just heard a cow. I like the slat. I've always liked slat wood, slat paneling. I know it's pretty modern, the cinder block. And they used paper for insulation. And there's regular round nails, probably about the 1950s. Kind of looks like the destruction. It kind of does look like the construction from the 50s. Don't see much of a can dump, if any. So that's a meat tin, like for ham. And there you go. Just saw a can. Because they would have thrown it here into the wash. That's a soldered bottom. So 1930s on the can. Who knows? Still pretty neat though.